No. No, baby Karen. Hi, Cleo. Hi. I'm finally tacking this crazy art pile that used to be up in my bedroom. And we're gonna do the 2 boxes. This is a lot of work I've done over the last year or so. So we're gonna separate it out in categories. One category is going to be sketch. Another category is gonna be half-finished piece. Whoa. And we have our first distraction. Baby, I need these boxes. No, I need these boxes. Don't think this is gonna work. We're gonna have to set up a decoy. Oh no. This is why I never get anything done. Okay, I put her in the lid, so maybe I can get back to work now. These look like sketches, but they're on real paper that I would use to sell. So they're going in the partially finished pile. And then this is just, that's sketch, I think. Yeah, sketch paper pile. Oh my God, I love her. I think I did some of these in my flight attendant training class while I was doodling. And we have another inspector. Okay, listen, honey. Honey, go by the fire, okay? I love you, but go by the fire. Go ahead. Go to your little spot. This is great. I don't think I'm gonna put her in the pile. I'm gonna actually try to do her soon. Oh my God, I remember these girls. And this is my done pile. Yay. Are you helping me work? Thank you. She let me grab her and kiss her today. She must be getting weaker. Weaker and admitting her love for us. Is it wrestling time? Who's gonna make the first move? Oh, they're done. Hello, Mrs. Big Paws. What? So we decided to go with a deeper blue because at first, what was the first color I did? Light blue did not work, purple did not work. So we're liking this better. I think I need to shade the floor a little. And I'm not thrilled, but it might be time to finish her and move on. She's pretty cute herself. Put her up for sale, maybe. I don't know. She doesn't match my house, although she does match this room. So I had to change the background to beige because now she's beautiful again. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Oh my goodness. What is going on? So I think, oops, cat juncture. I think I got the right color finally. She looks pretty again with a softer background. Why are you two looking at me like I've never fed you in my life? I did feed you. Do you want a sprinkle? Yes? You want a sprinkle? Okay. People who don't have cats. This is what life is like. When they want attention, they get it. Hi, baby. Hi, you don't want attention. You don't want sprinkles.